a great day. Welcome back to my channel. So in case you're new here, my name is Chris. It's so nice to meet you, and to all of my longtime followers, thanks for coming back, y'all. Also, today's video is going to be a lot of fun, hopefully, but I wanted to hop on here real quick to share what I'm currently doing with my makeup, like the day-to-day makeup, the makeup where, you know, I just need to kind of look less tired and just kind of want to feel a little bit more put together for the day. The makeup I do when I'm going to baseball games and stuff like that, and OM competitions and stuff. Okay, yes, there's quite a few steps, but it takes me like really no time to get it done, hence the reason why I keep rocking it. Also, I've been getting a lot of questions on Instagram and Facebook about how I wear my hats and like where I get them from and stuff like that. So this beanie here is from CC, or the CC brand. I'm not sure if that's the brand name, but I got it from Amazon.com, and I have a gray one, and I think I'm going to order a couple more colors because these are like the bomb.com. Yo, okay, it like fits my head perfectly, at least for the type of hairstyle I have. I do have a taper cut, so I'm also going to show you how I actually get my hair under the hat, and sometimes like what goes on under the hat. Okay, sometimes it ain't all put together under there, okay, but nobody knows. Nobody knows until now. Unfortunately, I did not have time to voice over the video, but I will show you everything that I use and everything like that. All right, so you ready? Let's rock. always, I hope you enjoyed watching. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you very soon in another one. Take care. Be sure to check out my channel homepage and our new channel, The Wind Down with Chris and Ty, for lots more to watch.